Okay, y'all, on my newest video, I accidentally left off some clips for my General Tso's homemade chicken recipe. The General Tso's chicken. So that's what this short is about. I did put the full recipe down in the description box below for all of you that are interested in making it. Y'all, it is so good. Now, I don't recommend using chicken thighs. I say use free-range chicken breasts. They are so tender and just, oh gosh, y'all. This recipe is so good. But I sincerely apologize for leaving off some of those clips. I did not mean to at all. Again, the full recipe is in that newest video that's up today in the description box if you want that recipe. All right. Thanks, y'all. I'll see you next time. All right, y'all. It is time for the taste test. This is our dish. And y'all know I already tasted it. You know I did. How could I not, y'all? Excuse me. Solo me. Mmm. Mmm. My chicken. Mmm. Oh, y'all, this is so good. You're gonna love it. The recipe will always be in the description box below. If you like this, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And y'all share and comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye.